Motor Rally has been called a donut last night in its recent events. And the perpetrator was no other than Jayson Lamb, calling me a donut. I'll tell you why. This is Motor Rally on Motor Rally News. Stay tuned. Right, so guys, Motor Rally here, and I've been called a donut by Jayson Lamb. Lovely. But anyway, let's actually talk you why I got called a donut, and that's because, as you see in this video here, on how to debadge your steering wheel, I've been using some pliers. Some metal pliers to pull out a fuse. Because I couldn't find the fuse puller on the Honda Civic. Man like me needs to go to Specsavers because they were there. They were there. And I'm gonna show you, thanks to Jayson Lamb, big shout out to him, what a legend he is, where the fuse box puller is. First of all, locate your the bonnet thing. Next, buy yourself some BR graphics or gel overlays and open the bonnet. Notice the epic looking tactical bonnet gas struts in the corner. Installed by me, but instructions from the one and only Jayson Lamb himself. So a big shout out for him for teaching us how to install some gas bonnet struts for you guys. If you'd like to get some gas bonnet struts for yourself, then head over to tacticalracinguk.com and use discount code MOTORRALLY5 for a cheeky little discount to get yourself some lovely looking tactical racing gas bonnet struts. Let's get 4 fingers, pull all tabs and pull up. Now, unveiling your fuse box, you have some fuse box pullers in here. But where, may you ask? Well, not in here. Look closely because you might be able to see it, and if you don't see it, then we both need to go to Specsavers. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's right here. Right here. These are the tweezers. Let's get it. Let's get the horn out. And boom. Here we go. This is thanks Jayson Lamb, man. So this is this is the tweezers. Let's put this back. And let's press it down. But yeah, these are the tweezers and this is where it lives. So yeah, Honda managed to hide it sneakily here. And there's I thought it was the fuse thing. But yeah, you just pull it and then take it out and boom, it's a fuse pillar. I need to go to Specsavers. So now you guys know where the fuse box puller is. This has been Motor Rally. Thank you Jayson Lamb for calling me a donut and for showing me and you guys how to install the tactical racing bonnet struts and how to find the fuse box puller. This has been Motor Rally on Motor Rally News. And stay safe guys, the legendary virus is still out there, and peace out. What? Pow.